didn't allow them to do that. From Lahem Hari Hashem Amalei Kalel. He said God told him to curse me. Shaf Shesichle Yasher Amalei Shmuel Divra Avishai Surya Shabika Shlasa Roiser Shelahargai Ulahargai. Even though common sense would have said, listen to Avishai ben Surya, who said to decapitate Shimi, to kill him. Verse 9, B'chol Zois Amar David HaMelech Asmai L'Soivim Shalol Shalom Loyatul Kurasai. Despite this, King David told him, to all those around him, to not pay him back according to his evil. Because that's certainly from God. Because if God didn't want it, he wouldn't have been able to take these words out of his mouth.